Hi, my name's AJ Nidek. I'm one of the sales leaders here at the TUTCO Heating Solutions Group, and today we're going to be talking about a product from TUTCO SureHeat, our Serpentine family of air heaters. We have two different varieties of Serpentine heaters, a Serpentine 2 and a Serpentine 6, commonly referred to as a Serp 2 and a Serp 6. Today, we're going to be talking about a Serp 6. We keep the body of the heater cool to the touch with our triple pass design. Air comes in, it goes down, back, and then finally across the heating element. One of the other things that makes this a great choice for OEMs is how easy it is to replace an element. Make sure that the heater has been cooled completely. Disconnect air, disconnect power, take out your two screws, slide the heater out, properly discard of the old element, simple 2-pin plug, plug it back in, slide it back in, air, power, and you're good to go. This heater is also available with a Type K thermocouple on the exhaust for all your control needs. In addition, you can buy all the components separately depending on your need. A lot of OEMs will take the heater body and mount it into their piece of equipment to ensure that the air is going to be broadcasted in the same spot every single time, and then the customer can just replace the element as needed. These heaters are RoHS and CE compliant. For more information, please visit TUTCOSureHeat.com. Thanks for watching.